If you add a VIP tag to a customer, they will be able to get 50 discount in the original price and their product title will be changed. So if I add this product into the cart and go to the checkout, you can see the original price was $179, and let me change this to Pakistan, United States, and the price is $129. Original price was $179 and we get the 50 discount and the title of the product is changed. If I go to the cart again and try to add another product, let's try to add this product. The price is $68 and let's see how much we get the discount. If I go to the checkout, and you can see now the price is $18 only. We get the $50 discount and the title of the product is changed. And this is coming from our extension, the cart transform extension, where we get the customer buyer identity and we find the tag VIP, and then we make the logic and minus the $50. So if I go here and remove the VIP tag and save that, and now if I reload the checkout page, you will see the title will be changed and we will get, and the discount will be removed. So if I reload this, and now you can see we have $68 and the title of the product is back and the discount is not being applied now. So if I again add the VIP tag again to my customer, this is the customer I am logged in, and if I reload this again and one more time, okay, it takes time to update, and now you can see we get the discount and the title is changed. So how I have done that by using the cart transform function API. So if you go to the documentation, and you can see over here, provide a special pricing and label for the VIP customers, and if you click apply a 50% discount and update the product title to VIP exclusive when the customer has the VIP tag. So in the input query, we get all the information about the customer ID and hashtag, and then we apply the logic and change the title. You can change the title to anything you would like, and you can give the discount whatever you would like to give them discount. So you can make different tiers like VIP customer, professional, HR, whatever you would like to add the customer. You can add the tag for them and add the condition over here and make them give them discount accordingly. So how I have done this app? So very simple steps. First, I install the app, Shopify app init. I typed this, and then I build a React router app, then selected the TypeScript, and then I select my organization, and after that I created the new app, and you can name it VIP customers pro, whatever you would like to give the name, and then hit enter, and it will install the app in your computer. After that, you will install the extension. You will go to that specific directory of that app, and then type Shopify app generate extension and hit enter. And from here you will select the cart transform. You will select cart transformer, and then you can give the name of this and of this extension. So you can name it something VIP customer pro, whatever you would like to give the name, and then hit enter. After that, it will give you the folder like this, VIP cart transform, and in the GraphQL just simply replace the GraphQL query. You can copy that query from here, from the Shopify dev docs. You can copy that and replace that over here, and simply copy the JavaScript function, copy this function and replace that over here. Simple, very simple. And then you can go to the Shopify.extension.toml. over here you can copy the handle of this and run the GraphQL query by pressing G, and over here you can apply register this function by this query, and you will pass the handle of your function. So once you will do that, I could not enable cart transform because it is already registered. So I have already registered this cart transform function. So when you will run this first time, it will activate, it will register your function. Okay, before that, make sure in the Shopify app.toml you have a right cart transform access. So you will give the name this, and then you will run Shopify npm run dev. So if you are running this first time, you don't have to deploy the changes. But if you running second time or third time, simply say Shopify app deploy, and it will deploy the changes you made in the Shopify app.toml. Okay, so if you would like to see the input and the output, you can go to Shopify dev dashboard and log in with your partner account, and over here you can see the cart transform logs. You can click on the logs and then click on the functions, and this is our input. We get the one quantity, the price was $170 and the title was this. Okay, and this has false tag and nothing operation is done. If I reload and if I click this now this time I have two products, 168 and 179, and we have the tag yes true, and now it will do the cart transformation and it does the operation, and it make the price 68 to 18 and 179 to 120, and it also change the title of these items. So this is how you can simply make the cart transformer for your VIP customers. It's very easy and very simple. Please like my video and share them, because I'm really working hard but not getting much appreciation. So I really appreciate if you like my videos and share them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.